What's going on, guys? We have got Tyler from Carli Suspension out here visiting us at the shop. Tyler is doing a real cool cross-country tour to meet a lot of his Carli installers, so of course he had to come and see us. We've been with Carli since the inception of the company, all the way back when it was Sage who was coming out, talking to us and getting that line set up. So while we had him out here, wanted to take a look, because if you've been in our parking lot, you know there's a lot of really cool Carli equipped trucks. So I wanted to bring him out here, got a whole bunch of trucks. Let's go talk about trucks.
Love it, man. So out here, we've got three main systems. We've got the Pathfinder, which is on the Ram and the Super Duty in the corner over there. We've got the E-Venture on these three Fords over here. And then we got two Dominators on these Rams. So first we can kind of dig into the Pathfinder. The Pathfinder is a relatively new system. What we were looking for is a 2.5-inch diameter shock with a reservoir to give you that displacement, but also a real nice cushy street ride that kind of gets down in the dirt if you really want to. So that's where this system fell into place. As you can see, it's optioned out. We've got the radius arm drops that are required for our 3 1/4 systems, the radius arms to give you that strength improvement and a little bit smoother travel cycle up front. Got our torsion sway bar on here. There's steering stabilizers. We've got R2 rear coils to hold the weight of that go fast and all the tools and such that are in the bed. This is a really badass setup. I'm also hauling a 28-foot trailer. Did a great job coming from Southern California out here to Arizona, and we're gonna be on our way a little bit further down the road to Florida, up to Pennsylvania, and this is the rig and the kit that I really wanted to use for this trip. So kind of moving on, as we shift over here to these Super Duties, these are all gonna be on E-Venture systems. We've got the 5.5, we've got the 3.5, and then we've also got the 3-inch system for the gas Super Duty with the 7.3 Godzilla. So this is going to be the system that is constantly reacting to how you're driving, whether it's on the street, off the highway, you're towing, you can ramp up your damping in the rear to make sure that it supports the load of your trailer. And then also, as you're getting on ramps, you're taking a hard 90 or a 270-degree turn and you wanna lay into it. This is gonna send the damping to the corner that needs it and keep the truck as stable as possible. With the 5.5 systems, you get a little bit more travel. With the 3.5, trying to keep it a little bit more minimal, keep the lower center of gravity a little bit lower. And then the gas, we've got gas-specific coils, since those motors are about 500 pounds lighter than the diesel motor. So everything is set up specifically for the chassis and what it is capable of. So as we kind of meander back around here, we're going to talk about the Dominator. Before the E-Venture, the Dominator was one of our top of the line kits. It's a King 3.0 shock. It's got our proprietary pistons in it. Obviously our valving profile is going into that thing. And when it comes down to it, this is going to be the kit that gets down and dirty while also still having a real nice supple ride quality. So as I touched on with the Pathfinder system, it's the auxiliary add-ons that really wrap everything together. So with this truck, you've got your steering stabilizers to help control oversized tires. You've got the torsion sway bar to give the front end that articulation that you want to soak up bumps. You've got radius arms to allow a little bit smoother travel stroke up front. And one major thing with the Dominator is you want some extra strength. So we've done our axle truss underneath the front end. That makes sure that when you take those really harsh hits in the desert or even going down the road here, you make sure that that axle is not going to fold on you. It's a really major longevity upgrade that lets you do whatever you want to with this truck.
So here's a cool little piece of lore, some Carli SDHQ lore. So a lot of these newer trucks, obviously they stop at the Dominator system, but as you know, and some of you guys will know, there's a system even farther than that called the Unchained system, for when that Dominator system wasn't enough. Well, that Unchained system came to be from a partnership between Dan over at Carli and Serena here at SDHQ. Serena had her personal truck and said, well, the Dominator's just not big enough. I need more dampening. And so the Unchained system was born. I thought that was a cool little piece of lore between the two of us. Now, Tyler, tell me, what is your favorite Carli suspension system for your ride?
Absolutely, that's gonna come straight to the Dominator. The Unchained, it's a little bit too boogie rated for me, I'd say. It is rowdy. I got 2 little kids and I wanna make sure that I can get anywhere in the desert. If I wanna start picking it up a little bit and going faster, the Dominator's gonna allow me to do that. But then at the end of the day, when I'm cruising home, I want to make sure that my ride quality is as plush as possible to get the kids to sleep. Happy kids, happy wife, on our way.
I can't argue with that. I've never ridden in a poorly riding Dominator truck. That's a fact. Tyler, we appreciate you guys coming out, seeing us, all the support you guys give us. We love your products. It's our go-to for these HD trucks that need suspension work. Guys, if you're looking to get a Carli build, we're your one-stop shop. Make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.